Hi guys, my name is Wenli. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook pumpkin soup. So let's do it. These are the ingredients that we need to prepare for this delicious creamy pumpkin soup. First, we cut the potatoes, maybe about 8 cubes each potato. Then we cut the onions into quarters. Now let us cut the pumpkin. To me, this part is the hardest of the whole process because the pumpkin is heavy and hard. Now we scoop out the pumpkin seeds. This is just my way of cutting a pumpkin. It is easier for me. Lastly, we peel the pumpkin. After all the cutting is done, pour all the cut ingredients into a pot. I would rinse them for a while before I start the cooking. Now, we pour the 1.2 liter of water into the pot and start cooking. Normally, I would use hot water so that I get to save some time for the water to boil. Stir it from time to time and leave it to boil. If you do not have the time to watch and stir it from time to time, you can also use a slow cooker or pressure cooker to cook it. Just have to make sure all the ingredients are cooked and soft. Then now we add in the 2 chicken stock cubes. I used Maggi chicken stock. Now stir it for a while until the chicken stock are fully dissolved in the pot of soup. Then we let it boil for a while. Now we blend everything in the pot with a blender. Blend until smooth. Normally, I only blend with a half full blender to prevent the soup from spilling out. After the soup is smooth, taste it before adding pepper and salt. Then, add the pepper and salt to your own preference. Taste it again. After you have satisfied with the taste, then now we can scoop the soup into a bowl. Add about a tablespoon of cooking cream to the bowl of pumpkin soup. Stir it and we are ready to serve. Wow! Can't wait to try it. This pumpkin soup is super delicious. You must try, okay? You can drink it just like that or you can eat it with my garlic bread. For my garlic bread recipe, you click the link. Okay, to find out more. Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.